According to our Theta Cost Forecast 2023, the token is supposed to have a most extreme cost of $1.8 with a base cost of $0.7. Theta organization is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of $3.2 as per our Theta Coin Cost Expectation 2025. Based on our Theta Cost Forecast 2030, the normal cost of Theta organization may be around $17 toward the finish of 2030. As of now, the Theta coin cost is exchanging around 86 cents over the course of the past week. Regardless of the negative opinion, Theta Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.8 starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Theta coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for a Theta estimate, our top-to-bottom examination plans to respond to your inquiries like, what is Theta organization? Is Theta wise speculation? What is the fate of Theta? Before we start with definite Theta cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's outline. What is Theta organization? Theta organization is a cutting-edge blockchain that is centered around media and diversion. It empowers existing video and media stages to drive gradual incomes and lessen content conveyance costs by remunerating end clients for sharing their stockpiling and data transfer capacity on any PC, versatile, shrewd television, or IoT gadget. Theta upholds Turing-complete brilliant agreements and is completely viable with Ethereum, which empowers an extensive variety of fascinating Web3 applications to be based on the organization. Theta organization is a double organization comprising of two correlative subsystems: the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization. The Theta blockchain gives installment, award, and savvy contract abilities, while the Theta Edge organization is answerable for the capacity and conveyance of media resources like pictures and recordings. Theta organization is definitely not a decentralized YouTuber jerk. Rather, it is the hidden blockchain and decentralized capacity conveyance framework that controls the up-and-coming age of Web3 video web-based and media diversion stages. How does the Theta organize work? Theta is a decentralized video real-time network controlled by three kinds of hubs: Endeavor Validator Hubs, Gatekeeper Hubs, and Edge Hubs. Endeavor Validator Hubs process exchanges, Watchman Hubs check exchange blocks, and Edge Hubs share transmission capacity and transfer video transfers. Theta additionally permits engineers to construct decentralized applications on its blockchain. Theta clients can download the Authority Theta wallet application to hold or stake Theta and tfuel tokens. Theta likewise has a micropayment framework for video web-based that permits content watchers and makers to send and get Theta. Theta utilizes a changed BFT agreement component that keeps the organization of PCs running Theta organization in a state of harmony. Both Validator and Watchman hubs take part in the agreement component, adding an additional degree of safety to the convention. Validator hubs should stake at least 10 million Theta, while Gatekeeper hubs need to stake 100,000 Theta, as it were. Casting a ballot not entirely settled by how much Theta marked. Theta's specialized examination. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with huge cost changes. In 2018, it had quite recently begun its excursion with a cost of around $0.2, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost genuinely somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the very start to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a noteworthy excursion till mid-2021. Subsequent to hitting an untouched high of $15.90 in April 2021, Theta organization crypto confronted a precarious fall, and it kept on exchanging under gigantic negative strain until April 2022. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enlisted consolidative value development to date. In any case, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around 87 cents. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. At the hour of compassing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is 87 cents, and information demonstrates that the resource cost could recuperate in the forthcoming days. The 24-hour exchanging volume has been $6,865,137 with a market cap of $873,503,088 and a coursing supply of 1 billion Theta. Our crypto estimate thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. We foresee the eventual fate of the Theta coin in a comparative strategy. We should investigate Theta cost expectation for the impending years. Theta Coin Value Forecast 2023 is indicated by our ongoing Theta Cost Expectation 2023. The Theta Coin cost is anticipated to go up and arrive at the greatest value level of $1.85. The typical cost of Theta organization may be around $1.2, while the base value level may be around $0.7 during 2023. Theta Crypto Value Expectation 2024. In view of our Theta cost forecast for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.3 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Theta organization cost will be around $1.8, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2. Theta Value Expectation 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.1 definitely. According to our Theta coin cost expectation 2025, the crypto may record the most exorbitant cost degree of $3.5, while the base value level may be around $2.7. Theta Token Value Expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $4. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $4.7 and $3.8 separately, according to the Theta Cost Forecast 2026. Theta Forecast 2027. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027 as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may effectively hit $5.8 toward the finish of 2027, according to our Theta cost forecast. On the drawback, it might tumble to the most minimal value level of around $4.9. Theta Value Expectation 2028. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are forecasts that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the greatest cost degree of $6.4 with a typical cost of $6 in view of our Theta cost expectation for 2028. The base cost may be around $5.6 during the year. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, the normal Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark, according to our Theta cost figure. Financial backers might acquire incredible benefits assuming they contribute with impeccable timing. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $6.9 and $6.3. Theta Value Expectation 2030. Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030. With a typical exchanging cost of $7.3, Theta organization's base worth could come to $6.7. In light of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2030, we anticipate that the most extreme cost should be around $8.